guidance of Professor Nayana K, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE. Introduction. Coronaviruses are the large family of viruses that cause illness ranging from common cold to more severe diseases such as MERS coronavirus and SARS coronavirus, where MERS is the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome and SARS is the Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. Novel coronavirus is a new strain that was discovered in 2019. The World Health Organization named this disease as COVID-19, where CO is the corona, V is the virus, and D is the disease. 19 means 2019. Transmission. The viruses mainly spread between the peoples during the close contact, often via small droplets produced during coughing, sneezing, and talking, in which these droplets are produced. When breathing out, they usually fall on the ground or surfaces rather than being infectious. The viruses can survive on the surface up to 72 hours. Next, to go symptoms of COVID-19. The primary symptoms are fever, runny nose, dry cough, severe shortness of breath, headache, fatigue, body aches, and the severe symptoms are high fever, fever more than 100.4, and pneumonia. Next slide. HBOT treatment for COVID-19, where HBOT treatment is the strongest non-invasive oxygen therapy. It is a medical treatment that increases the amount of oxygen in the patient's blood, allowing oxygen to pass more easily through the plasma into the wounds to heal them. In HBOT treatment, it is better than breathing atmospheric high flow oxygen and mechanical ventilation techniques. Here, the main aim of HBOT is to improve the treatment efficiency, and it also reduces the mortality risk of infection. Evaluation of the effectiveness of HBOT. Under that, the 5 critical patients showed the consistent response to HBOT oxygen therapy. Here, in 5 patients, there are two are critical and 3 are severe patients. Zhong Anglia, the director of Department of Hydrobaric Oxygen Therapy in Wuhan Yangtze River Shipping Hospital, he has successfully carried out the HBOT treatment in 5 patients who are suffering from COVID-19. Treatment effect of progressive hypoxemia in severe patients. Under that, rapid relief of hypoxemic symptoms. Here, after the first session of HBOT, chest pain get reduced, and after the second session, symptoms basically relieved, and shortness of hypoxemia. Here, hypoxemia is nothing but it can cause hypoxia, and it, here the figure shows the sulfur dioxide changes before and after treatment of HBOT. Before HBOT treatment, the sulfur dioxide showed a significant upward trend day by day. After HBOT treatment, the SO2 is higher than 93%, and every treatment solved the patient problem of total hypoxia. Atrial blood gas index recovered significantly. Comprehensive therapeutic effect of HBOT oxygen therapy in severe patients. Under that, general condition reversal. Here, in addition to the relief of hypoxemic symptoms in all patients, general state was significantly reversed. Headache disappeared, mental state was improved. Clinical objective indicators improved. Here, its main objective to expect the significant change in atrial blood gas and myocardial injury was improved. Improved lung pathology. After re-examination of lung CT after the treatment of HBOT showed the lung inflammation in all 5 patients was significantly improved. Here the graph shows changes of coagulation and after HBOT treatment. Here the lung inflammation images are shown after treatment of the 5 patients. The mechanism of HBOT oxygen therapy. Firstly, the more effectively than normal pressure oxygen inhalation to overcome lung tissue inflammation. Secondly, it is more effective to increase oxygen partial pressure than to increase the oxygenation index by mechanical ventilation. Thirdly, more effective than ECMO. ECMO is nothing but extracorporeal membrane oxygenation in improving tissue or oxygen uptake. Fourthly, there is serious interference of mechanical ventilation to the respiratory tract in natural breathing. There is no reasonable use of atmospheric oxygen is used, overall therapeutic effect is significant. CDC process of HBOT treatment. CDC is the Control Centers for Disease Control. Here, the prevention and control of diseases takes place. Here, the CDC process of HBOT in Wuhan Shipping General Hospital has been proven to be feasible in time. HB, once a patient condition is changes, the patient can be immediately removed from the compression ward and is within 3 minutes and is shifted to the ICU ward for further treatment. Pathogenic microorganisms performing control disease and infection is in infection ward. The hyperbaric chamber students patients hyperbaric oxygen chamber advantages promoting wound healing, increasing the amount of oxygen, improving the infection control. It also controls the infection, increases oxygen delivery to the damaged tissues to heal the wound. Disadvantages: lung damage, because due to excess of oxygen it leads to lung damage, sinus damage and changes in the vision. It leads to myopia. Here the disadvantage is oxygen, because of excess amount of oxygen poisoning takes place, which can cause lung failure, fluid in the lungs, and also it leads to bursting of middle ear. Conclusion: in general, HBOT oxygen therapy has a clear indications for patients with COVID-19 with obvious uncontrollable safety risks. The main conclusion from this report is to reduce the mortality rate of the infected patients, and also the improves the treatment efficiency and reduces the risk of medical pressure. It also follows some control procedures and measures have to be developed to meet the treatment for the patients who are suffering from class A infectious diseases. References: Coronavirus Disease 2019 Situation Report 72 and COVID-19 Morbidity and Mortality Caused by Endogenous Carbon Monoxide Poisoning with Recommendations for Testing and Treatment. ECHM is Europe Committee Hyperbaric Medicine Position on Hyperbaric Oxygen Therapy in Multi-Place Hyperbaric Chambers during Coronavirus Disease COVID-19 Outbreak. Thank you.
ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ತಗೋಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ COVID-19.
Yes.
ಟ್ರೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ
Sir, references.
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ.
So usually the references should be any of the standard papers, or it is the references that is
Sir,
published in the
sir, ఈ COVID-19 papers, IEEE papers recent ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ sir. So
IEEE journals ಅಂತಾನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. So there are so many other journals. So
sir.
in the journals, this work is already
Sir.
published. So you have to
Yes,
take
sir.
data from those journals. So that
Okay,
data you have to present. It is a general information that you have presented.
yes, sir.
ಹೈಪರ್ಬ್ಯಾರಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಮ್ಮ?
Ma'am, it is treatment, ma'am. It is a treatment
Correct. Treatment
where
name is
the
HPOT. ಅದರ
oxygen
ಹೈಪರ್ಬ್ಯಾರಿಕ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು. ಹೈಪರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಬ್ಯಾರಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
oxygen amount of oxygen excess flow excess ಆಗಿ
ಹೈಪರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಹೌದು, ಬಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್. ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಲಂಗ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
Why mortality rate is that much observed in aged patients, above 65 aged patients?
Yes, sir. For all. Hello.
Yes, sir. Please continue.
Tell sir.
Why old age persons are greatly infected by this virus, new virus?
Because this treatment is more effective, sir. So the more than 65 years, the patients are not in the place to receive that treatment, because there are more sessions of HBOT is to be taken. 4 to 7 sessions have to be taken.
Okay.
Immunity, sir.
Yes.
Sir? Sir? Ma'am?